Bonjour les amis, today I am making my ham and cheese pasta au gratin, or also known as my very simplified version of a macaroni cheese with ham. All you need is macaroni pasta, grated cheese, cream, ham and black pepper. Now I'm warning you, this recipe has a lot of cream, but A, it fits 8 people, B, cream is life, C, you can always do half and half, so half yogurt, half cream to make it healthier. First, cook the macaroni pasta al dente according to the packet instructions. Whilst the pasta is cooking, you want to add your cream, your ham, and the grated cheese into your dish. Give it a good mix. Add the cooked pasta, black pepper, and salt if you wish, and give it another mix. Now bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. Et voilà! Bon appétit les amis!